When diving into cabinet building, the specific tools you need can vary based on the complexity of the cabinet design and your preferred woodworking techniques. That's why we're going to discuss the entire process from start to finish. We'll let you know which tools you have to use and when. There will be some product suggestions too, so without further delay, let's get started. Okay, before starting the project, the first thing you have to do is select the appropriate wood pieces. It'll bring more advantages to your work process and final outcome of the project, like durability, accurate dimensions, cost-effectiveness, easier workability, sustainable choices, and reduced waste. It's a crucial step that ensures your cabinets turn out both functional and visually pleasing, aligning with your final design goals. If you fail to choose the right pieces, the outcome might not be as precise or durable as you wanted. So before taking on, make sure to do proper research and select the appropriate wood pieces.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
The foremost part of a cabinet building is proper measurements, and keeping some measuring tools is essential for your project due to several reasons. Accurate measurements ensure that the cabinet components fit together seamlessly, minimizing gaps and inconsistencies. Measuring tools like tape measures, combination squares, and carpenter squares help maintain precision during layout and cutting. This accuracy extends to joinery, ensuring joints fit snugly and securely. Additionally, proper measurements prevent material wastage by guiding efficient cuts, saving both time and resources. In that case, you can keep this T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure, which will help you to take both short and long measurements. Plus, you can keep these woodpecker's combination squares for making and measuring angles, as well as check if the edges are square. And when it comes to checking right angles and marking straight lines, you can keep this woodpecker's skill square to make tasks more precise and easier. Okay, after completing the measurements, what will be your next step? Well, the answer is scribing, or you can say marking. If you want to ensure a seamless fit and clean edges while making your cabinet, precise marking is the indispensable way. It involves transferring accurate measurements and contours from one piece of wood to another for precise cuts and joints. This is particularly important when dealing with irregular or uneven surfaces. The tool commonly used for scribing is a marking gauge, and you can go for the Milescraft 8407 Scribe Tech to make the whole process more simple. This tool will allow you to score a line or create a reference point, ensuring consistent measurements and aligning components accurately. Cuts are essential to a successful cabinet building project, since they determine the accuracy and quality of any cabinet component. Clean and precise cuts ensure that pieces fit together snugly, enhancing the overall structural integrity and aesthetics of the cabinet. The primary tool for cutting in a cabinet building project is a circular saw or table saw. However, table saws are the best option for straight cuts and can handle various sheet metals. In this case, you can pick the skill table saw, which offers enhanced accuracy and control, particularly for long cuts. Additionally, a miter saw is essential for making accurate crosscuts and angles, for which we will suggest the Ryobi miter saw. For intricate cuts and curves, you can use this Makita jigsaw valuable. Proper cutting techniques along with the right tools guarantee that your cabinet pieces fit seamlessly and contribute to a polished final product. After cutting all the wood pieces to its perfect shape, you'll need to clamp them securely before starting the joining process. An effective clamping tool ensures that the cabinet components are held securely in place while glue sets and joints bond. Clamping tools are also essential for maintaining alignment, preventing gaps, and ensuring a solid, reliable structure. So before starting the joining procedure, you better keep some tools like bar clamps and corner clamps by your side. To make your pick easier, we will recommend the Craig's inline clamp, which will help you to clamp from any angle on almost any shaped workpiece or assembly. You can also get this Milescraft 4012 square clamp kit to make your projects a breeze. Joining, whether through nailing or adhesive, is a pivotal aspect of cabinet building projects. It creates secure connections between various components, enhancing the overall strength and durability of the cabinet. Nailing provides mechanical support, while adhesives like wood glue offer additional reinforcement. The primary tool for nailing is a nail gun or a hammer and nails. If you don't want to take the hassle of conventional nammering, we better go with Milwaukee's new 16-gauge straight finish nailer to make the whole process simpler and labor-saving. For adhesive-based joining, a reliable wood glue is essential. It creates a powerful adhesive bond between wood components, ensuring the joints remain sturdy and reliable over time. After joining the cabinet components, the next important step is sanding or polishing. This process involves using tools like sanders, sandpaper, or polishing wheels to smooth surfaces, eliminate imperfections, and prepare the wood for finishing touches. The primary tool for sanding is a sander, which can be an orbital sander, belt sander, or handheld sanding block. Well, Milwaukee Tools has a full line of sanding solutions, such as Milwaukee Orbiter 1/4 Sheet Sander, M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander, and Milwaukee Belt Sander. These tools will help you add the final layer of finesse that transforms it into a polished and visually appealing masterpiece. However, there are tons of options available in the market. You choose what's worthy to you. Now your cabinet is nearly complete, but you might wonder what's lacking. Well, painting it can enhance the overall look of your project and add a premium touch. You don't need to be a painting expert to achieve flawless results. Simply decide the right color that complements its surroundings, then opt for the Sunjoe cordless HVLP paint sprayer to achieve professional-grade paint outcomes without the complexity of bulky equipment. And when it comes to efficiency, there's no doubt about its performance. To sum it up, building a cabinet is a rewarding journey that blends creativity and skill. From choosing the right materials to precise measurements, effective joining, and a polished finish, every step contributes to a functional and appealing final product. Whether you're new to woodworking or a seasoned enthusiast, the joy of creating your own cabinet is truly satisfying. So grab your tools, embrace the process, and relish the experience of bringing your cabinet project to fruition. Happy building!